Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make your own time-stopping video on phone only by using CapCut. So first, you need to add your video to CapCut and then just split the video to where you want the time-stopping effect to apply. So let's say I wanna it to apply in here. So just split the clip like this and then click on the first clip and find the freeze option. Okay, then click on the freeze frame and then make it as overlay, and you need to make sure that it aligns with the second clips, so it will go like this. And to make the time stopping effect, you need to go to mask, use the masking feature, then select split, and now just rotate the masking. Oops, sorry about that. Rotate it like this. Okay, I will make it like so, and then after that click on invert and let's try playing the video and see the result. So you can see now the video on the left, it's stopping like this, but if you don't like the result, you can always adjust the masking again to make it more perfect. You can see now it's go like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.